So the Breeze Worship app, this integrates and aligns perfectly with kind of what we're doing from a service planning perspective. So we've had really a dedicated team that's been working on service planning for the last, I don't know, year. And now we've got another dedicated team that's been working on the worship app for the last 6 months. And so the two of them are looking to launch at the same time. So phase 2 and the worship app, we're looking to launch the two of them at the same time, because the worship app really brings that functionality for your worship team from a practice and performance standpoint. So what's great about it is the library that you see, the song library that you see within the worship app, is synced with the Breeze library that you're able to control through service planning on the Breeze side of things. But you're able to add songs natively within the worship app as well. You're able to create set lists in the worship app as well. And something that's kind of cool that is unique to the worship app is you can create set list drafts. So if you see over in the screen up here, I've got assigned versus drafted. You're able to create, let's say, the person or the admin within your organization that sets up the event in Breeze maybe hasn't put, the Easter service or the Christmas service out on the calendar yet, but you as the worship pastor have already kind of thought through what you want that music set list to look like. You can go ahead and create a draft within the worship app, move around the different songs within the set list. And then as soon as that event is created, you can go out and assign it to the event, which is pretty cool. You can also unassign it and change which event you want it to go on. You can duplicate it, but it just makes it kind of nice if you have multiple parties involved in kind of that planning process around the service. I see a question coming in. Okay, Stephanie asks, does a service plan have the ability to run a timer with the program? We don't have a timer. We have duration timestamps on the side of the plan, as well as kind of like start times. And I don't know if I'm answering your question on this. And if you're thinking of kind of like a metronome on the worship app, we will have that as a part of the worship app if you're using that from a practice or performance functionality. But if I'm not hitting it right on the head, then that's probably maybe a feature that we won't have that you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to kind of keep going a little bit on the worship app stuff. So I mentioned that you can assign different set lists to events, and you can manage those within there. And then I kind of mentioned that you're able to do some practice and performance functionality within the worship app. What's cool is that when you open up the service plan or the set list here, you can see kind of this planning mode where you can actually drag and drop the different songs within the plan. So you're seeing a view of the service plan that may have been set up in Breeze, and you can see what, maybe your pastor has put on the docket for the week, and you can say, okay, I need a song here, I need a song there, and you can move it around the service plan, but you can't edit or delete service plan functions in the worship app, especially if those are, maybe if those are done by two different people. You might not want to be deleting the prayer if that's maybe not your role from a worship side of things. But it's kind of cool that you can do both. You can use both platforms to move around kind of your music set list, if you will. From here, you can also click to practice or perform, which will open up your chord chart or your lyric sheet. You could play the audio file underneath it, and you can swipe from song to song, which we're hoping will be very helpful for your band members and your vocalists as they're practicing. And if you allow iPads on stage for performance as well. Okay, I see some more questions coming in. Will the worship app be priced separately, or is it free for current Breeze users? The worship app will be priced with service planning phase 2. So it will be, oh gosh, what just happened there? I don't know what just happened there. Sorry, guys, I've lost my screen. I'm going to stop sharing. My screen just got taken over. It will be priced separately. So it will be included in the service planning. Here we go. It will be included in the service planning phase 2 package, which includes Song Select and the song library. And that will be a part of that flat fee. So if you don't upgrade to kind of that service planning and worship app package, you won't be able to access it in the basic Breeze model. If that makes sense.
Right.
Good question.
And then just to clarify too, in the App Store itself, like every worship team member, they're not going to have to pay for every download of it'll be a free app in the store. You just have to have the right functionality in Breeze for that app to work. Yeah.
Yeah. And our goal from a pricing perspective is that it's incredibly competitive pricing and less expensive than what you would experience with some of our competitors. We want it to be something that's very accessible to the Breeze customer base, because we know that a lot of our customers are smaller to mid-sized churches, and we want it to be something that fits within your budget for sure. I think I see another Q&A. That makes sense. Thanks, Gloria. Okay, moving off of worship. If you have any more worship questions, feel free to throw them in the chat. Guys, I feel sorry my screen got taken over there. That was a little wild and crazy, but we're on a crazy ride here. Corey and Therese know working with me is a little bit of a hot mess, so they're not surprised. All right, we'll switch over into Sites and Breeze. So we as an organization are immensely excited about this, because it's really the first step into combining the product offerings of Tithely with the product offerings of Breeze. What's cool from a customer perspective is it's just going to bring deeper and deeper value to the different product sets, right? So now when we're able to bring in church apps, for example, you've got the customer or the member information from Breeze that's now going to be in the church app, right? So it's the first step on bringing these platforms together, and Sites is the one that we started with. So as we get into this, so you will be able to purchase or connect your Tithely site from the Breeze extensions page. So I know a lot of you, well, a good amount of folks already have a Tithely site, or maybe part of the all access package where they've already purchased a site. You're able to go ahead and connect those through this new extension. Or if you don't have a Tithely site already, you're able to purchase that extension directly through here as well. Once you do that, you'll be able to leverage all of the power of Tithely sites. That is a very established product. It's been around for quite a while. There's a lot of great templates in there. The website builder is super smooth, and being able to leverage that directly from your Breeze account will be pretty neat. Therese, who is on with us, has already onboarded close to 100 customers and taken them through the process. And I think, Therese, do you want to add just kind of what the reaction has been and how the process has gone thus far for these customers?
Yeah, it's been really positive just to see all the team's hard work pay off, and that customers are thrilled to be able to just log into Breeze. There'll be a little site shortcut on the top for people who have permissions for sites, and then it just takes you seamlessly over and logs you in as an admin to your site, and so you can make any edits you need to. And then on the left hand side, Tithely's navigation is on the left hand side. So when you're in your site, you can just click Breeze and it'll bring you back to the Breeze dashboard. It's super easy to get back and forth. And what's really great about the Sites platform is you don't need any coding experience. So if you don't already have experience with Tithely sites, you don't have to worry about that. Jane's asking, if I have all access in Breeze, is this Sites in Breeze a live feature now? We're days away from this being able to be seen in any Breeze customer's account. So be looking out for announcements for us months. But we're literally, Corey and I were testing last night, doing some final testing at 10 o'clock. So we're within days of being able to launch this to everybody. But we're super excited.
We had our go call today. And CX was like, just give us a little bit more clean up on these couple things and you guys can go. So when Therese says days, we are literally days. Therese and Corey have worked incredibly hard to get this across the line. So we will all be doing a happy dance.
Yeah.
what happens. Sorry, we got another question. Looks like, oh, Shane
Oh,
says,
sweet. Yeah.
Shane, you're like one of our greatest fans, and we appreciate that. Shane's always here for the new stuff.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Well, and one of the cool things too is once you purchase a site or you connect your all access site, one of the things that's cool is it's actually bringing together your Tithely organization ID and your Breeze organization ID. And so now that's kind of one singular bill, where previously it was you were getting a bill that was from Tithely and a bill that was from Breeze. Now you're considered a singular organization within our, customer database as well, which is really the future of how Tidely is going to operate. And it just makes it will make the support process cleaner for you. And it will also kind of open up the doors as far as connectivity of the products that you purchase and leverage. Anything else you guys want to add to that?
Is this our only slide? Sorry.
It is, yeah.
So I did want to I just want to let folks know that we have a promo that is like the first 500 customers. As Natalie mentioned, we've already onboarded 100. So it's going to be the first 400 customers that purchase a Tithely site. So if you're a Breeze customer that doesn't have any affiliation with Tithely and you purchase Tithely site, we'll actually give you 3 months free of your site subscription, which is $19 a month. But we're also going to connect you with a third-party company that we have a great partnership with. It's called Site Setup Solutions. And Tidely is going to cover the cost for the first 400 customers, her package, which is a basic site setup, and she will recreate your homepage from your current website. She'll recreate your homepage and up to 4 other pages. She'll set up all of the basic menu and site structure. So she'll recreate those 5 pages, but let's say you have 16 pages. Those other pages will be there. The content will just be generic and you'll need to go in and edit it. She'll enable the features that you want enabled, like live stream or plan your visit. And she will also make, because you have to pick a template. And so it doesn't matter which template you pick because of this service, because she's going to bring over your logos, your color scheme, all of that, and 5 custom images for you. So you'll when you sign up, you'll get an email saying, hey, here's a questionnaire, fill it out. Here's everything that we'll cover. You fill out that questionnaire, it goes to her team. And the sooner you get that questionnaire, the earlier you are in her queue. And then she'll turn around, you'll get a follow-on email saying, hey, our site setup is complete. And here's your next steps, kind of thing. So we're going to cover the cost of that. You won't even be billed for it and we reimburse you. We get billed directly. And then, but within that 3 months, you'll be able to have your brand new site from Tidely up and running. So definitely take advantage of that.
Yes, awesome. Thank you for reminding us of that, Therese. It's a really cool offer that's going on right now. And the first 100 customers have really gotten kind of the white glove treatment because they've gotten to work with Therese too, going through the process. And so she's gotten to really know kind of what the experience looks like for the customer and call out any hiccups or bumps to make sure that this is as seamless as possible. So well done. I think we've got a couple things in chat. Oh, Shane loves the Tidely site. Oh, you have 2 sites. That's option. That's awesome. Oh, and then I said what this means for us. We talked a little bit about this already, but the fact that your bills will be consolidated between Tidely and Breeze. And for us, it's, like I said, super excited because it's the first step in combining our product offerings. All right, guys, any other questions? Going once, going twice. No. All right. Well, listen, thank you all very much for joining us on Tidely Next and on the deep dive. We appreciate you all. We love your feedback and we love your excitement about the new stuff coming too. So thank you for that. Again, feel free to reach out to us through support or more directly through Facebook. I think all of us are on Facebook and we'll, chat you back on occasion too directly. So lovely to chat with you all. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the week and God bless.
Thank you, everyone.
Awesome.
Bye,
Thanks,
guys.
everyone.